So, hello everyone. Here, Bela Bolek from Bolek Trades. My original name is Khalil. I'm from Morocco. A lot of people know me as a Moroccan salesman. Bolek. Been living in Dubai, Libya, many other countries that I visit. Well, this is going to be the intro, and in this series we're going to talk about trading, price action trading system, and this is going to be the intro, the gate, the portal. I wrote some things right here, so I'm going to inform you, like what this series is going to be including, everything from the price action, the indicators, the mentality, the psychology, and everything. Well, I'm so sorry because it's the first time for me recording things to teach people. I'm not usually doing something educational for people. It's all gonna be free. We don't sell things. We don't have a Telegram. I don't do things for money right here. And I'm busy making a living. I'm busy making a living from trading. So it's all for free. Well, what is price action? So let's get in. Well, what is price action? Everyone talks about price action, but almost no one actually understands it, right? People think it's just like candlesticks, support, and resistance, random lines on charts. So, for people like right here, just like you're gonna be like, oh, it's just like random lines and trends and whatever, okay? But actually, price action is deeper than that. It's actually understanding how the market moves, how buyers and sellers think, and why price reacts the way it does. So that's why I trade price action, no indicators, no guessing, just reading the market for what it is. In this series, I'm going to break it down step by step from the structure to entries to the mindset behind it. So you actually gonna understand the market, not just following it. And this is actually where the real training starts for you guys. This is it, nothing else. I hope you all do it well. And I'm actually currently writing a book about price action trading, and it's including every short day that I traded, and my journal, my record, my track record, and everything I have done, my losses, because every loss teaches you something. Every loss has something to teach you, sorry. And we are still here chasing consistency. That's all we got. I guess I'll see you in the next series. That's it.